मंडे न्यूज चैनल आए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए भैया।
Personality, Mr. Ramakant Munde. From the very popular Ramakant News, sir. Please, Ramakant Munde, sir.
फोटो कैसा करूं इसका तो फोटो का आइडिया नहीं।
Can we have our lovely beauty queens here? Yes, you really worked hard. The beginning was with our ace designer, Miss Archana Kochar. Thank you so much for the fabulous beginning and for brightening up the place further. Thank you, sir. I must thank you, sir. आप कब से बैठे हुए हैं? Sir, thank you. आपने छोटी सी मुस्कुराहट तो दे दिया।
कंट्री का कॉन्फ्रेंस इनका चल रहा है, तो ये ऐसी आदमी है, तो मैं अभी आपको उनको देता हूँ।
थैंक यू आपको, आप लोगों को हमें आंखों में भरने का मौका आज दिया, इसके लिए आपके तरफ से या सबके तरफ से आपको वेलकम करते हैं और हमारा आपने जो इंट्रोडक्शन सुना इसके लिए थैंक यू।
Very good evening to everyone here. I'm very happy to be here and be a part of this wonderful event. And I'd like to congratulate Mr. Anil on all his endeavors to put this together. Thank you.
Very good evening to all. 2021 इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा है तो पूरा साल कितना अच्छा होगा। सो थैंक यू सो मच FMBAF एंड अनिल जी कि इतना अच्छा शो रखा और हमें इनवाइट किया, बिकॉज लास्ट ईयर जो हमारा बुरा गया था और ये 2021 की शुरुआत इतनी अच्छी हुई। सो थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू।
मैम क्या करें, एक्चुअली सनशाइन जो हमारे साथ हैं, सो थैंक यू फॉर really bringing that brightness in the room. बहुत शुक्रिया जी।
Thank you,
Mr. Anil Nair, Mr. Qureshi ji, is because it's very rare and it's a lot of hard work that goes into when you win an award, and to know your credentials and your efforts and your time and your lifetime experience that you put in. There are very few people who appreciate that and who actually think of giving you a memento that is a memory for the rest of your life, because at the end of the day when we go away, we are only left with memories that fly over with time. Thank you so much. God bless you. Romba Nandri. Vanakkam.
Thank you so much, and thank you for the Vanakkam. We still remember O Poda. I just love that song and love the energy guys have. Maybe also just be here for the next few seconds and invite Ashwini Ahir, please. Miss Ashwini Ahir. And thank Mr. Anil Nair for the grand celebration.
मैं एक चीज़ और अनाउंस करना चाहता हूँ। अभी अश्विनी हेर का ये बात हो गई तो मैं बता रहा हूँ। अभी हमारा जो मैगजीन का अभी नेक्स्ट एडिशन हो रहा है, उसका कवर पेज में ऑलरेडी मैडम को हमने सेलेक्ट किया है ऑलरेडी। ये मैं एक्चुअली शूट भी होगी।
थैंक यू सो मच, लव यू सर, आपका प्यार है।
पोज तो दे दीजिए सर।
पोज दो, कौन सा शत्रु शाहरुख बोल दो।
शाहरुख हाँ।
शत्रु
जो स्टार्टिंग फिगर होता है 1 CR होता है, 1 crore. I'm not talking of money, I'm talking of treating patients absolutely free of cost. Maybe please.
Government of India, the state ministers, सबका support रहा और
Congratulations to you, Shivankar Karu. Ladies and gentlemen, with us on stage, may we please put hands together for the most glamorous fashion award, which goes to Rupali Sawant. Congratulations to you, dear Rupali. May we please congratulate Prem Sagarji, Mr. and Mrs. Prem Sagarji, Dr. Shekhar Tulsidas.
Rajan sir, Romi sir, my entire writers team. Thank you very much. Thank you Star Plus for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Dr. Rajan, everyone. Congratulations, Anuj Shah.
He's good as a director and he's the one who makes the show look so good. My entire cast members.
Mr. Anuj Shah. Congratulations to you, Mr. Anuj Shah. And ladies and gentlemen, presenting. Please, ma'am, can you join us? Sorry, both of you, sirs, to present the award. To the very ravishing, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Miss Ashwini Ahir. Ma'am, we'd like to have a few words from you. Thank you, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please give it up to everyone. Just 2 seconds for one picture photo up. Come on. We go faster.
मार रहा है यार.
थोड़ा एयरकॉन गर्म हो रहा है. Thank you. शुक्रिया. Thank you. I just saw a few guys trying to wipe the sweat and I realized. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And it's time for us to move ahead towards the awards and the record. And of course, we're going to also welcome our awardees here at the prestigious FMB. She's also been a supermodel and she was very happy being in that arena. After that, I wonder what really took her towards the world of sport, jahan par anything could happen, and of course she's going to talk of her experience. It was not really easy for her, but Sandhya, what is it that you एक तो सबसे पहली बात तो मैं कहना चाहूँगी आप जहाँ पर भी कदम रखती हैं उसमें congratulations to you and invite Dr. Dharmendra Kumar. दोस्तों इन सब ने रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक किया है and they're all the recipients of International Excellence Award. Congratulations to you, the lovely Priti Rana. I'm going to request you for a word, please.
मोटर न्यूज़ चैनल आए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए भैया.